Hey team, welcome to ABpril. So improving your overall strength and performance in the gym is going to help build lean muscle, but we can also target the abdominals to make them more visible when the fat percentage, the overall fat percentage of your body comes down. So we're going to give you 2 workouts. These workouts can be done up to twice a week, and they can be done at the end of every CrossFit session, or if you're not able to make it into the gym, then chuck this in while you are watching Netflix. Consistency is key, and we want to make sure that we're making kind of improvements on each of these movements. So whether it's by range, or whether it's by intensity, or weight, or duration. Yeah, just make little improvements, write them down in your journal. Very, very important. So workout 1 is going to target the abdominals. It's going to consist of crunches and knee ups. So for the crunches, you're going to start with your knees in the air, crunch and squeeze your abdominals. This will then be supersetted with knee ups, focusing on controlling every single rep and contracting your abs as hard as possible. If you find that completing 15 reps starts to get a little bit easy, you can make this harder by doing weighted variations or hanging variations. Just remember that the key is to establish control, so don't do these too fast. Control and slower is better, and you're gonna be looking for 3 to 5 rounds. The next exercise, the next superset, we're gonna focus on support strength. So you're gonna start with 30 to 60 seconds of a hollow hold, and then you're gonna go to 30 to 60 seconds of a straight arm plank. If you're not unable to hold a hollow hold, a tuck hollow hold is fine as well. Just each week as you're doing this, focus on opening up that position. Open up the position as long as you don't lose that midline, so your lower back isn't arching off the floor. The third part of this workout is you're gonna complete 3 sets of a 10 ab wheel rollouts. If you can add weight to these, that's awesome. Just make sure we're looking for that hip extension. So keep the butt squeezed as you're pushing forward and you're moving from those knees. All right guys, that is workout 1. Should take you 10 to 15 minutes at the end of every CrossFit session. So workout 2 will help you target your obliques, so the side of your abs. Now, we're gonna start off with kettlebell side bends. So you can do 3 to 5 sets of 10 kettlebell side bends. You wanna start with a lightweight with this one, guys, and focus on increasing range of motion before you start adding load. So you're gonna perform 10 reps on each side, and just make sure that you're keeping the waist and the legs stationary. We don't want too much movement through the lower body. We wanna feel this through the upper torso. The second part of this workout will be side plank bends and lying windshield wipers. So you're gonna start off with putting your elbows on the ground in a side plank position. You're gonna lower your hips to the ground and then drive your hips to the ground as high as possible. If you're finding this pretty difficult for the side plank bends, you can elevate onto a box instead. That's gonna make it a little bit easier. And then for your lying windshield wipers, you're gonna grab 2 kettlebells. That's just gonna help anchor your upper body, and you're gonna take your legs from side to side. If you're finding that the straight leg variation is very hard, it's not a problem to bend the knees on this one as well. Just remember not to flop from either side. The idea is control. So control, gently tap, and then move over to the other side. We want control through that full range of motion. And you're going to look to complete 3 to 5 sets of this superset. All right guys, there are also weighted and hanging variations of this. But yeah, this will be the base workout for you. So really work on developing that strength and control through range. Yeah, looking forward to ABpril, and make sure that, just remember that nutrition is a huge part of fat loss. Yeah, enjoy it.